When I go to comment a photo on Instagram Reels and try to import a photo from my gallery, it's showing the error. Please allow access to your photos. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. Tap on Enable Library Access and open Settings, then tap Permission and turn on Storage. Tap on Open Settings. And tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Data, Clear Cache. OK to confirm. Go back to previous page and tap on App Permission and make sure your photos and videos permission is allowed. Tap on Photos and Videos and tap on Allow. Then go back to Instagram. Now try to import and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.